In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check message read time on Telegram. If you've ever wondered exactly when someone read a message you sent, I'll walk you through it on both mobile and desktop so you can use whichever device you prefer. First, open Telegram on your phone or on your computer. Then head into any chat where you've sent a message. This works in one-on-one conversations and in many group chats. And it applies to messages you sent from your own account. The key is that you'll be checking the read time for your sent messages, not messages from other people. On mobile, tap your sent message once. Don't long press, just a single tap that opens the message info screen on desktop. Right-click the sent message to bring up its message info. Either way, you'll land on the same place, a panel that shows the exact day and time your message was read. Here is how to interpret what you see. 2 green checkmarks mean your message has been read. When those checkmarks are present, the message info screen will display the precise timestamp showing when it was opened. This is especially handy if you need to confirm whether someone saw a reminder, a link, or any important detail at a specific time. There is one important limitation to keep in mind. That detailed read timestamp is only available for 7 days. Within that window, you can tap or right-click your message to view the exact time. After 7 days, you'll still see the check marks that tell you the message was read. But the detailed timestamp will no longer be shown. So if you think you'll need that information, make sure to check it within a week of when the message was read. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If nothing happens when you try to open message info, make sure you are tapping or right-clicking your own message, not the other person's. This works for text, photos, voice notes, and most other message types you've sent. Also, the message info screen is just for your reference. It doesn't alert the other person and it won't change how your message appears on their end. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.